Jett Bandy coming up. Gray struck out 5 of the first 6 Traveler hitters. Bandy was the only one of those to put the ball into play when he grounded out in the second inning. Drops Jett's average to 175. Right-hand batting catcher. The pitch, a slider for a strike. 0-0, last of the 5th. He played 22.5 innings over the last, well, now nearly a full day. The 0-1 to Bandy is outside. 1 ball, 1 strike. Out of those 22 innings, we've seen a total of 3 runs, all scored by Tulsa. And just 17 hits between these teams. Amazing. The 1-1. Bandy jammed, rolls it foul past Philip Wellman in the third base coach's box. Strike 2. Some of the numbers we figured out about yesterday's doubleheader. In Game 2, Traveler pitchers and Driller pitchers combined to retire 35 consecutive batters at one point. 35 straight outs. A 1-2 on Bandy. It's off the hands and fouled over the screen. Bandy batting in the 5th with 1 out, nobody on. Gray has set down the first 13 in a row. Let's see, although that string of outs, 35 straight, came from the Traveler half of the 4th inning until the top of the 9th. Nobody reached base for over 5 innings. The pitch is low on Bandy and got away from the catcher. 2 balls, 2 strikes. We're not at that level yet. I don't know if I'll ever see 35 straight outs in a game again. Here'll be a 2-2 on Bandy. Swing and a miss, a strikeout on a high fastball. Number 8 for Jonathan Gray.